Hey, it's Logger John here, and we're just down at the wood pile.
Big John, Big John, Big Bad John.
And this is what's left. I've been splitting crazy now for the last couple days. So there's not much left of the pile. Just this little bit here. We got all this over here. And then come down here, we have this pile here. It's all split. So if you look down here, this is where the pile was. It started right about here, and then it went all the way down. So on my one other video there, I measured it, and it was about 70 feet long. So this is what's left here. So it's going pretty good. I'm hoping to have it done by tomorrow night. This is Friday, so hopefully we'll get some more done. And the little splitter's working good. So it's pretty good what we've did so far. I'm not sure how many cord are here, but figure it out. It's probably at least 4 cubic cord there. All this is sold basically. It's already spoken for this fall. I actually talked to one of my customers the other day, and he's pretty much out of wood. He bought a couple cubic cord off me last fall, but he didn't buy enough, I guess, and I don't really have any dry stuff to sell him, so unfortunately. So this year he's probably going to take another extra cord at least, so we're just going to keep splitting here. Hey folks, it's Logger John here, and I'm just going to do a really quick update on what wood I have cut and split so far. So I've been cutting the last few days and skidding some out and splitting it. I just finished splitting it there this morning. So we have this pile, goes all the way down here. It goes down here and it goes all the way up there. It's a good variety of wood in this pile. You got some maple, some beech, some ash, some oak, some black cherry, some alum, some hickory. What else? There's ironwood. There's some ironwood actually in here that I cut yesterday and split. It's kind of unusual to get a big ironwood, but we got some. Here's a chunk right there. That's ironwood right there. It's a nice piece. Usually ironwood's quite small, but there was some big ones back there, so we have this pile. There's my dog down there checking it out. Hey pup! And we got some chickadees. And then we got this pile over here. This is the first pile that I split. So it's been pretty good so far. I'm hoping to cut a little bit more. I hope you enjoy that, and we'll talk to you soon. Take care. Hey folks, Logger John here, and it's February the 24th, and it's freezing rain here. I'm going to try to walk over here. It's pretty icy. So I did finish up the wood, splitting the wood yesterday. Got that. And then yesterday I finished up over here. So we got that down there. And that over there. So it took me about a week. I started a week ago splitting. And I did some every day a little bit. There's my dog slipping and sliding. And I got a quick update on the wood splitter. I want to show you guys something in the little shed here. So this is what I did yesterday afternoon. I don't know if you can see it really well, but got some angle iron, drilled some holes, bent it here, just made a little platform. Just got a piece of plywood I found down in the barn. Just bolted it on. Just make it a little easier to split wood. I was just using the table. I don't know if you saw it in my other video. I figured, well, I'm going to take the time and do this. Just to set blocks on when you're splitting them. This particular machine didn't come with any extensions. And you couldn't even buy them for it. It's kind of weird, but anyway, that'll work. Hopefully freezing rain stops. Thanks for watching, guys, and we'll talk to you soon.